click on go live. Okay.
So I did, but I don't think it got installed. I guess I'm not
Just install and wait for a moment to install.
sure. Okay, so I'll stop sharing till then.
No, wait. And you aren't the only one who could be doing this mistake. There can be anyone. So let
Okay.
them also see how they can resolve it. Okay, now go to HTML file, any of the HTML file, and yeah. Okay, now
Should I run it, sir?
wait. On the bottom, can you are you able to see like go live sort of text
Where, sir?
on the bottom? Actually, okay, you are working again. I have been telling like you have to maintain a proper folder structure. Okay, you didn't maintain it. Okay, you are why you are opening all the folders in a VS Code. It is not required. You have to open the only folder in which you are working. Why these favorites, links, and all those folders are you have opened? Why HP folder you have opened? You are working in any of the directory. Go there, open VS Code in that particular folder only.
Okay, sir. How do I do that, sir?
Okay, close this VS Code window. Close this window. Now go to the folder where your files are present.
This one, sir.
Yeah. Click right. Do a right click. Okay. No, not on the file actually. Yeah, just normal. Okay. Okay, you haven't installed VS Code. Okay, you have missed something. Okay, fine. Go on the address bar, top address bar. Click on the address bar.
Okay.
Click CMD.
CMD.
Yeah, CMD and enter. Enter. Open space. Sorry, write code space dot CODE space and dot. Enter. This is how you open the VS Code in a particular folder. Now you can see only your files, no other folders.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is easy to navigate between files now. Open any of the index file.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm showing options visible in the bottom. There should be options to like all of those.
I'll try.
Not this isn't the thing actually. No, this isn't the way to do it. Actually, I can't see any other options in this show. I guess you have missed something or what? Other options are not available. In the very bottom, you will be seeing. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. You can see where options are available. Okay, you can stop sharing. Okay, at this bottom, you will see the extension usage. You can directly shortcut to the extension actually. Okay, which type of file you are using, which type of language mode, line sequence you are using, which type of characters are encoding are there, which sort of formatter you are using. Okay, so these are available in the bottom. You can see this is the code. Okay, so I will close this code for time being. And you can see option to go live. Whenever there is an HTML file, you can see an option to go live. To go live, we'll open the document here. Okay, you can try it later on in the VS Code. We will move to another sort of tags, important tags. Okay, the table tags.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, table, we know table has got two things: table heading and table data. Heading is the very first column on the top where you use like their headings are available. Which type of column names are there? Okay, to make those, the very first thing you need is a table tag. For table header or table the column name we use a tag for table head or simply t head. Okay. Now, whenever there is any sort of column which is implicated in a row, if you go for a table example, if you just go from the table example, you open there. What you can see, this starting thing is a row. Okay. Now in the row we have got three columns: company, contact, and country. Okay. So this is now we have used this table heading to imply that we are using a heading. Now table row, each single line is a row. In single line, we have got three columns. TH stands for table head.